The first step is to visit Ridester.com and log into your account. Once logged in, click Help in the main navigation. From there, you will have to log in again to authenticate your account. Log in using one of the methods, and then proceed. Once logged in, you will see the services tied to your account. Deleting one account, whether it is an Uber, Uber Eats, Uber driver profile, will delete all the profiles. If you'd like to continue, click Continue and your accounts will be deleted. You will now get an email from Uber confirming the deletion of your account. If you take no action to reverse the change within 30 days, your accounts will be deleted.